Okay, moving right along. I got a baseboard here to replace. Pre-slice it to preserve the wall. In theory, the better I can preserve that, the easier it's going to be for me in the future. There we go. I don't want to mess up my knife, so I'm going to take this. There we go. Okay. These, I'll pull these nails out. Just make it less likely for me to get poked.
And it makes it that much easier to use the old board for a
I'll have a
template.
nice surface to start with, and nice and easy. Okay, utility knife would definitely speed this up, but it's okay. It's a quick deal. Got my knife here.
My utility knife broke.
Slice along the wall. It's going to prevent, if this is caulked on, prevent that pulling off our wall material.
Prevent it from damaging the texture.
It's a much easier job to take that initial step. Cut at the corner and cut this corner here. Easy slice there. And we just take the little blocker board, and a piece of baseboard. Sometimes gotta start it with a knife. There we go. Yeah, I can get under there with the blocker board. Okay. And just make sure it's not pulling the wall. Just the baseboard. There we go. There we go. Nice.